night, but I never really film it. It's kind of just for my own enjoyment. But I thought I'd whip the camera out today and get some night drive footage for you guys. So I think for this one, I'm probably just going to focus up and kind of just get a really good run in. So this one's gonna be more of just kind of you watching ASMR, enjoy the drive kind of thing. If anything interesting happens, I'll start talking, but for now, enjoy the driving, guys. Stopped on the side of the road there. It's a little weird. I'm getting some weird plowing. I don't know, it feels like my alignment's off, or almost like something's dragging in the front tires. I'm not sure, I'll check that out when I get to the top. On corners that I usually rub there, it felt more of like a plowing, almost like something was dragging. So I'm gonna get out and check my wheel wells. I wouldn't be surprised if some of my fender liner's hanging off or something.
I think it's fine. I might just be tweaking.
Yeah, so tire and wheel wells seem fine. I don't know. I might just be placeboing myself.